Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with AWS Amplify for secure front-end deployment, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, navigate to your AWS Management Console. Sign in with your AWS account credentials. Once signed in, locate the Amplify service in the Services menu. Click on Amplify to access the Amplify dashboard. In the Amplify dashboard, select Get Started under the Deploy section. Choose the Host Web App option to begin the hosting setup. Next, select the source of your front-end application. You can choose between GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or AWS Code Commit. Authorize AWS Amplify to access your chosen source code repository. This typically involves signing into your chosen service and granting permissions. Select the repository containing your front-end code. Then, pick the branch you want to deploy. Once you've selected the branch, click on Next. In the build settings, you might want to configure the build specifications. Customize the default build settings if your project requires specific settings. Once your build settings are configured, click Next. Review the app settings to confirm your configurations are correct. If everything appears satisfactory, click on Save and Deploy. Amplify will begin building and deploying your application. During deployment, you can monitor the progress on the dashboard. Once the deployment is finished, you will receive a confirmation. Now, navigate to the Backend Environments section to set up backend authentication. Select Create New Environment to start configuring your backend services. Choose the authentication method that best meets your application's needs. You can set up various authentication methods, such as Amazon Cognito. Follow the prompts to configure the authentication settings. Be sure to review the security policies and access permissions. After configuring authentication, deploy the backend by clicking Save. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.